This attack is something like Hamas style attack. Our response should be very, very appropriate. Something like what Israel, the way Israel responded. India should break Pakistan army's back and break Pakistan into four parts. Asim Munir should shit in his pant. See, this is Pulwama 2 moment of India, and I think this attack is something like Hamas style attack on 7th October on Israel. It's not a coincidence that Asim Munir utters certain illogical words 2 days back, and such an attack takes place where religion is asked about every tourist and then asked to recite kalma, and if they refuse, so they are attacked. So I think our response should be very, very appropriate. Something like what Israel, the way Israel responded. I think Honorable Prime Minister has returned from Saudi Arabia. He's holding meeting. India will appropriately respond to Pakistan. This is basically unleashed by Pakistan Army. I have been saying these are SSG commandos of Pakistan Army. They are posing as terrorists, and they are undertaking this on the instructions of people from across. This is a well-planned attack. It's not a normal terrorist attack.
So Pakistan is on alert, and
Let them be alert. This is a moment that Pakistan army's backbone is broken, and I appeal through your channel to all the Balochis, all the KPK people, Sindh people, and POK people to revolt against Pakistan army's terrorist actions against you people. This is the moment you must declare independence, and India should break Pakistan army's back and break Pakistan into four parts. And Asim Munir should shit in his pant. It is all being done under his command. How the Azhar Masood, people like Azhar Masood and Hafiz Sayyid are only there.
there has been response from nearly all countries. All have
The
condemned.
whole world is standing with India, and India must now show its resolve and break Pakistan.
One last, sir. There has been an infiltration attempt that has been going on in Baramulla area, and operation is going on. How do you see there is an attack and now this infiltration attempt?
Pakistan army chief wants to escalate it. He wants to prove his credential. He is himself Shia. Let him first prove his identity. He is a kafir.